Good morning, children. Welcome in English class. Children, we are going to start our grammar. This is your grammar book, Dynamic English Grammar and Composition for class 4. And we are going to start with our first lesson. That is kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. So, first of all, I will tell you about what is a sentence. What is a sentence? You know already. What is a sentence? A group of words. But a group of words is not a sentence. It should have complete sense. A group of words that makes complete sense. So you can write the definition in your notebook. What is a sentence? Definition of sentence. You will write definition sentence. What is the definition of sentence? It is a group of words that makes complete sense. Write in your copy also with me. A group of words that makes complete sense. That makes complete sense is called a sentence. Is called a sentence. Group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Now few points you will remember while making a sentence. Few points, important points. Which are these? First, the words should be in proper order. Words should be in proper order. Words should be in proper order. Second, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. It always begins with a capital letter. Third point, it always ends with a full stop, question mark or a sign of exclamation. It always ends with a question mark. It ends with a full stop. Full stop. They are punctuation marks. They are punctuation marks. This is the symbol of full stop. Question mark. Question mark. This is the symbol of question mark. Or sign of exclamation. Or sign of exclamation. This is sign of exclamation. So these are the points that we will remember while framing a sentence. What are these points? The word should be in proper order. It always begins with a capital letter. It ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Sign of exclamation. So capital letter also includes in punctuation marks. They all are punctuation marks. From these marks only you will be able to get some meaning from that sentence. If question mark is there, that means some question is being asked. That means that you have to give an answer. If sign of exclamation is there, that means you are showing your strong feelings of happiness, sadness, etc. Strong feelings. You are expressing your emotions. And if full stop is there, that means it is some statement. We are stating something or we are giving some commands or orders. From these things only we can find out what are the different kinds of sentences. from the question mark, full stop and exclamation sign, you will come to know that different kinds of sentences. Which are those which are ending with full stop? They are declarative sentences, they are statements. Then we have full stop again in imperative sentences. Imperative sentences also end with full stop. These are commands order, like write neatly children, pay attention, look here, copy these words properly, these sentences properly, write down the definition in your copy, write down the important points in your notebook. These all are commands. Sit properly, or we can give orders also, shut the door, drink a glass of water. We can make requests also. Kindly do this, kindly help me, please do a favor for me. So these are requests, commands, order, etc. They are imperative sentences. In these, subject is usually omitted. Subject is usually omitted, and it is obvious that you is the subject in that. Then we have questions. These are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, they end up with question mark. In that we are asking some questions. Then we have exclamatory sentences, which are ending with mark of exclamation. They are called exclamatory sentences. So these are written in your book also. They are the 4 kinds. See children, kinds of sentences. What is the sentence that is mentioned here? Points are written here. Then we have 4 kinds: declarative, interrogative, then we have imperative, and we have exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences. So these are the 4 kinds that you are going to read, learn about them and write about them. First you will write these, then we are going to write about different 4 kinds in the notebook. Okay, so let us write the 4 kinds of sentences now. Okay, you must have copied these points. Okay, fine. So I will rub it, erase it. Then we are going to write the 4 kinds of sentences and their meaning, where they are used. Write down the 4 kinds. First is declarative. They are also called statements. They are also called statements. So write down. First, declarative sentence. Declarative sentences or assertive. You can say them as assertive. And these are statements. These are statements. We are stating something, just telling something about a person or thing. So, example, you can write this kind of sentence states, it states something. It states something about a person or thing. It states something about a person or thing. Second point you will write, it ends with a full stop. It ends with a full stop. It ends with a full stop. These all you are going to write down in your notebook. Okay, children? Then we have assertive statements. We have positive statement and negative. You can have the negative statement also. Like, for example, she can swim. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Example you can write. She can swim. Full stop. S capital. First letter is capital. Full stop is there. Now change this into negative. Not will be put. Not will be put after the verb. After can. She cannot swim. So you can write the negative statement here. She cannot swim. Full stop. You can write the contracted form also. What is the contracted form of cannot? Can't. C-A-N apostrophe comma and T. Can't. So this is all about declarative sentences, assertive or statements. Declarative, assertive, statement. Now we have second kind, questions. They are called interrogative. They are called interrogative sentences. Write down this in your copy. Second kind is interrogative sentences. So write down that also. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Now points to remember for this. It asks a question. It asks a question. Second, it ends with a question mark. It ends with a question mark. Example you can write. What are you doing? What are you writing? What are you writing? Just see what is put in the last. After writing, which punctuation mark? Question mark. First letter is capital. W you will write capital. Like that. So questions you can frame using WH family words. What, when, why, how, who, whom, whose, these. And questions you can make using helping verbs, auxiliaries. Have you written this? Have you done your work? Have you completed your work? And question mark. So have is the helping verb, question mark the last. H is capital first letter, question mark is there, and we are asking questions using verbs or these words, question words. Fine. Now third, imperative sentences. Imperative sentence. What are those imperative? I told you. Orders, commands, requests, advice, warnings you can give. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Points. It gives orders, commands, etc. Commands, advice, suggestions, warnings, etc. Suggestion, etc. It ends with a full stop. It ends with a full stop. Example. Write neatly. Shut the door. Write neatly. Please shut the door. You can use the words please and kindly for requests. Please shut the door. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Maintain discipline. Don't touch the wires, electric wires. Don't go near the fire. Don't go near the fire. You are warning, giving warnings. Fine, we are putting full stop and we are beginning it with also capital letter. These are all commands, requests, suggestions, etc. Imperative sentence. Write down this also in your copy. Imperative sentences, they give order, advice, suggestions, etc. Now fourth kind, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Number 4. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. Main points related to this: it expresses strong feelings. It ends with exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. How cute the child is. How cute the baby is. How cute the baby is. Sign of exclamation. What a beautiful flower. What a beautiful flower. You are amazed to see this beautiful flower. Sign of exclamation. When you are surprised, when you are happy, when you are sad, you can show your emotions using this sentence. So children, this is today's work. Write all the 4 kinds of sentences and definition of sentence also. Okay? Fine. Bye.